going to be just a little quick warm up and a few exercises on the floor just to warm up through your back and through your core. So all I want you to do is just get the arms moving, stretch those bodies. Problem with staying at home all the time is we tend to sit down a lot and we forget about stretching our body. So nice rotation through the arms. And then we're going to have a nice rotation through the shoulders. Okay, a little shrug up, nice and gently, and then drop gently to shake out the arms. Up through the shoulders, and then down, shake out the arms. Up through the shoulders, down, shake out the arms. One more time, up through the shoulders, down, shake out the arms. Now we're just going to push the shoulders back, open up, and then little hug. Back, open up, and then little hug. Back, open up, and then a little hug. One more time, back, and the shoulders open up. So let's just get the hips moving, side to side. Nice and soft through your knees. Swing from side to side. You've got some funky music if you want. If I put music on, it just distorts the whole thing, so you'll have to do your own music. At least you can choose and you haven't got to listen to my music. Okay, let's do a little bit of a circle. A little bit of a circle. Just loosening up through that lower back. And then let's go the other way. Just it. That's it, lovely. Couple more circles, and then hands down by side. Let's just do a gentle side bend. Lateral movement's really good. You can pull that shoulder and elbow up. That's it. Just get some movement through your body, make you feel better. And then gradually we're going to move that arm over, stretch it over. Lovely. That's it. And then we're going to just gradually build it up so that we're stretching up to the sky. Keep the knees soft. Up, 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 up. A couple more. Up, up. Just shake everything out. Shake out your legs, shake out your legs, shake out your arms. Okay. Up and down on your toes a few times. Just warm up through the calves. If you want to, you can even do a little bit of a balance at the top. Keep those cores working. Couple more. Lovely. So we're going to come down onto our mats. Just going to do a few exercises. So all I want you to do, literally roll side to side. Lift up your head and then take your head down. Roll side to side, lift up your head and then take your head down. Okay, so we're going to start off one leg down and one leg up. All you're going to do gently, if you've got a pillow to put on your head, you can gently take that leg down towards the floor nice and slowly. When it's almost at the floor, then you're going to take it up slowly, really working your tummy muscles here. Nice flat back against the floor. Let's do that 3 more times. So slowly down towards the floor. And then up to the sky. And then we're going to go down again. And slowly up. And then last time. On this side. Slowly down, almost to the floor, and then slowly up. Swap legs. Other side. 4 times. Slowly down to the floor. And up. Not too quick. You always want to do it quickly on the way up, but I want you to do it slowly on the way up as well. Almost to the floor. And then slowly back up. And slowly back down to the floor. And back up. And one more. Slowly back down to the floor. And all the way back up. Bring those knees back up. Okay, I'm going to push the knees out. Hold them out, hands down. I'm just going to gently push it forward and bring it in. Forward and bring it in. You're going to do one more each side, and then we're going to bring the knees back into the chest. 4, and then little crunch in. Okay, legs out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring those knees in. 2 more times. Out. 2, 3, 4. Bring those knees in. Out. Last time. Out. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. And bring those knees in. Fabulous. Heels to the floor. I'm going to do a little bridge. Up. Take the arms up and back. And all the way back and down. I'm going to have 3 more of these. Up. Back. And down. Lift up. Up. Down. Last one. Up. Back. And down. Knees up. Okay, let's do that again. 4 more. So lift up, arms all the way back, nice and long through the neck, and down, and again up, and down and up. And then last one, up. And back, down. Lovely, girls. Onto your side. Let's get those legs working a little bit more. So we're going to do a bit of a clamshell here. So feet together, knees together. You're just going to open up and down, watching that the back doesn't go backwards. So you're not rocking back onto your bottom. Two more. Last one. And and then I'm going to straighten that top leg out, and we're going to lift 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Bring it round to the other side. Get yourself comfortable. Knees on knees, ankles on ankles, and then open and close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 more. 6, 7. I might have done 6 like the other side, I can't remember. 8. Straighten the top leg, up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fantastic. Come up onto all fours. Let's do a Superman. 1, and 2, and then thread the needle under and up and under and up. So just a nice, very quick little one for you to get everything moving. And I will post some more videos as soon as I can. Take care. Lovely to see you.